Hello everyone, I'm Dipali Shalot. I'm a teacher, I'm a traveler, I am a mother of two, but above all, I'm a gardening enthusiast. Right now, I'm sitting on my 7th floor terrace garden where I grow organic vegetables, fruits. I've been doing it for the past 20 years. But my gardening is of different types. I believe a lot on sustainability. Now, what is sustainability? We all know it is a very commonly used term, but we all need to now act upon it, not just talk about it, because we have only one planet and we need to reverse this harm that we have already done for our coming generations. Okay, so through this video, I want to inspire you all that if I can do it, you all can do it. It's no rocket science. It's not at all a difficult task. It's just that what we are doing for our own Mother Earth. And the things I do are very simple. They don't require too much effort, but they are very easy to follow and execute. So I'll just take you down around my place to show you how through these simple ways we can bring sustainability in our environment, in our daily life, and believe me, it's not at all tough. Okay, now I'm going to show you, this is a tire. Okay, this was to be thrown because it was useless now, and tires are not recycled. Now what do? I did not just want to throw it on the road, so I kept it here. Since it's a terrace garden, I don't have too much depth, so this tire gives me depth. I can add more soil and see what I made out of this. Under this also there's a tire here also, and here too, and don't you think it looks beautiful? Now I'm going to tell you where our kitchen and garden waste goes and how I'm using that also. So all my kitchen and the garden waste comes here. It is dumped here. Whatever is biodegradable in my house comes here. It is dumped here, and then I do nothing. I just dump it here, and then twice a year I get this kind of manure, which is again reused in my whole garden. So I don't need to add, except for some cow dung manure, I don't need to add any other chemical based fertilizer to my garden, and I'm getting all kinds of vegetables in my garden. They're fresh and organic throughout the year. Now I'll tell you how I have reused the old cooler tank, which was otherwise to be thrown in the dump. So this has a lot of depth, so I've put everything I could, and a lot of seasonal plants and these leaves and neem trees are growing. And you must be wondering why there are so many bottles like this. So I'll tell you, I have the problem of rats and squirrels. Whatever I plant, when it grows, the rats and squirrels eat it away. So I've covered it. I've made holes here with old bottles. Okay, so they are breathing also, and the rats and squirrels cannot. And once it grows big, then they don't harm it. Now here's another example of sustainability. I bought these drums from a scrap dealer, and these are chemical drums, and they were not very expensive also. So I have around 10 drums like these, and I'm growing all kinds of big plants and vegetables here. See, these are capsicums, healthy capsicum growing, and this is a proper tree which is growing here. This is moringa tree. It is also called miracle tree because it has a lot of medicinal value. I have you must have heard spirulina powder which people get, and it has lot of benefits which you can search. I have the tea made out of these leaves every day, and this is such a huge tree. And when the drumsticks are there, these are the fruits of this, are also very healthy. We make vegetables and soups out of that. Where there's a will, there's a way. I got some plumbing work done in my house, and these were leftovers, and this is old flex banner which I found on the road. So what I did, this wire mesh, I rolled it and covered it with these plumbing sockets. I don't know what it is used for, and then I put some I hanged it here, and some soil I added, and this jade plant. It is so beautifully growing in this, and I did not spend a penny in for this, and it is totally sustainable. Otherwise it would have gone in the dump. Now I'm going to tell you how I used my useless paint buckets. We got our house painted some time ago, and the buckets that were left after the painters left, I washed them, cleaned them, and I planted some trees. These are mogra trees, but in a while they will flower, and I'll get a lot of flowers. These are other round the year, I don't know the name, but they are some shrubs which give flowers throughout the year. So this is how we can use them instead of just throwing them away. Now I'm going to show you some things where I've grown plants, but they are available everywhere. In fact, they are causing a big headache for the environmentalist where to dump them. These are old cold drink bottles, oil bottles. These are, see, you can see how I've cut it, and the plants are growing in this. This is a small bottle, and all kinds of plants and green, and I've put all this very beautifully on an old discarded center table which was part of my house earlier, so nothing goes waste in my house. Now I'm going to show you how I have used the plastic containers of home delivery food items like Swiggy. This is a mushroom container, and this is a mithai dabba lining. You can see this plastic lining with partitions, and see how beautiful it has come out. This I've just planted, and this we just ordered biryani, so it's that handi from biryani, so I did not throw it, and I've just planted a money plant in this, and soon these three will also be green like this. And isn't it eco-friendly and sustainable? Whenever we go out, we always have mineral water, and what do we do with the bottles? Just throw them in the tub? I don't do that. See what I've done with them, and to make them a little more beautiful, I've painted them, cut them here, hang them here, and painted with acrylic paints. And some creativity I've shown along with my passion for sustainability. And these are glass bottles, all shapes and sizes. This is vinegar, this is soy sauce, this is some juice we had, this is Happy Fizz, and I painted them again. And these are like, at this plant in this bottle is at least 2 years old, so you can imagine, and it's a beautiful thing to have in your kitchen. Okay, this is my another section of the house where I'm using all the used things. Now see this beautiful plant. This is variegated, and it is a kulfi cooler. This is again an ice cream Baskin Robbins cups. This is a fresh cream, Amul cream. These are paper glasses, and this is, you can see, it's a hot chocolate box, plastic box, and this is at least a year old plant in this. And these are old HDP bags where this is growing, and you can see this is a slush glass, and see the jade in this. This is again very old. So how I've utilized these things, and they look so beautiful, isn't it? So these are small things we can do. They are giving us oxygen. It's a beautiful sight. So do that. Don't just mindlessly throw the dump. First, we should not use these things, but if at all we do, we should reuse them, recycle them, and save the planet, because we have only one planet. Thank you so much for being with me.